Chicken! You gotta fight for your right to fight!
It's Rolling Stones Sounds of the 80s. The best songs of the 80s in one complete collection. Get Rolling Stones Sounds of the 80s for just $9.99 on compact disc or double-length cassette. More than one full hour of hits.
My baby, don't put my love on no shelf. She said, don't give me no lines and keep your hands to yourself.
Then audition other Sounds of the 80s albums. There's no minimum to buy. Cancel anytime. Rolling Stones Sounds of the 80s is not sold in stores, so don't wait. Call now.
To order Sounds of the 80s, call 1-800-920-8558. That's 1-800-920-8558, or send $9.99 plus $3.50 shipping and handling to Sounds of the 80s, Department 9, Richmond, Virginia. Or call now, 1-800-920-8558.